So, the new Mate series phones from Huawei are about to hit the market worldwide. The Huawei Mate 60 series is anticipated to debut as the Mate 50 series from last year's replacement. It is anticipated to debut in September of next month. Prior to its official debut, the Huawei Mate 60 was the subject of numerous leaks and rumors that revealed important information. In the most recent development, purported photos of the next smartphone, taken with real hands, have appeared on the microblogging website Weibo. The Huawei Mate 60's dual-tone back panel is visible in the leaked hands-on photo. The bottom half appears to be made of gray metal, while the top half appears to be made of white frosted glass. A circular camera island protrudes from the gadget, and there are 3 cutouts, one of which appears to be a periscope lens. A charging coil, visible in another disassembled hands-on photo of the Huawei Mate 60, suggests that wireless charging is supported. The leaked photographs don't disclose any more information about the smartphone save this. The Huawei Mate 60 is rumored to have a pill-shaped cutout on the front called Spirit Island, as per leaks and rumors. Apple's Dynamic Island on the iPhone 14 Pro models is claimed to be comparable to it. The software implementation that might use the island is still unknown, though. The smartphone is expected to have a 6.7 inches OLED screen with a 1500 pixel resolution. The device is anticipated to have a 50 megapixel main camera with the company's X-Mage technology, according to DCS. Due to current US sanctions against the company, the Huawei Mate 60 is said to forgo the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in favor of a MediaTek chipset. Due to collaboration with SMIC, the Mate 60 series may mark the return of native 5G connectivity for Huawei handsets. The Mate 60's release date and other information are still unknown at this time. Though the Mate 50 series debuted on September 6th, Huawei typically announces new Mate series smartphones in September or October. And this time it's also the same. The Mate 60 will be releasing in September. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Huawei Mate 60 series? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.